My name is Lennon Ashton, and I'm an adjunct professor here in the Department of Music at LIU Post. I teach courses in the areas of musicianship, music education, and music technology. The Keyboard Lab is a classroom where the students are going to be taking all of their musicianship courses, such as music theory and oral skills. When it comes to music theory, there are a bunch of benefits based on the equipment that we have in the room. For instance, every station comes equipped with a Korg SV2 73-key keyboard. These keyboards come with weighted keys, which helps the students develop the touch that they need to engage in piano if they want to later pick up that instrument further.
I'm John Meshy. I'm the Director of Music Technology here at Post. I've been an adjunct since the late 80s and the Director of Technology since the early 2000s. And just around the time where our partnership with SoundTree started, you can teach a lot of concepts that you could not teach in a traditional classroom where students are just taking notes, and I think you can do that much better in a lab like this. Now, everybody in the class is a piano. Everybody can play. You can listen to what they're doing, give them instant feedback. You can talk to them, answer questions. I think that's an invaluable part of what's going on here, and not only with keyboard, but with music theory, learning four-part harmony and learning all kinds of things. With this Music 1 class that I used to teach, you'd bring students into the room, maybe one or two of them could actually play something on the keyboard. The other people, they had no background, they had no skills, so they wound up just sitting there. But when all of a sudden you should show them that they could be playing a drum part, and just hit this, say, okay, when I point at you, you hit that key. Now they're playing the kick drum, and then when I point at you, you play your key. Now it's kick drum, snare, and they're going, I'm making music.
My name is Eric Stewart. I am the Director of Orchestral Studies, and I'm also Professor of Aural Skills and Composition. So I use the GEC-5 system for my Aural Skills class, and I use it in a variety of different ways. The most basic of which is just using it to accompany the class while they sing through exercises, and I play harmonies along with them. But also for exercises where individual students accompany themselves while they sing melodies, and we have time in class to let each student individually with each keyboard work on their own accompanying harmonization by themselves. I am able to walk around the class and check on them, see how they're doing. I can suggest fingerings for them on the keyboard if they're having trouble with certain chord progressions, and it gives them a chance to work individually in the context of a group setting. And I also like the fact that I can stay at my station and go into anybody's keyboard sound and talk to them through their headset and go over some things so I can hear what they're doing all the way from my station. It gives a personalized kind of attention with each student, even though they're in a group setting.
When the students don't want to leave the room at the end of the class, they just want the class to keep going because they're enjoying themselves too much and hopefully learning something. And that's cool as a teacher.